Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Holden Colorado DX single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4346. This shape runs from the first month 2012 through to the 8th month 2013. It has an LVN 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. LVN 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. We have the radiator grille, both pieces complete. Left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left manual door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a bald tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Aftermarket alloy tray with ladder racks and sliding drawer, all bolts and brackets supplied. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right manual door mirror. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a 5-speed manual gear stick. Heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.